Hi, so today we are going to work on adding money together to find a total and then showing how we would pay for it. So we're going to pretend to go shopping today. I've got a catalogue. It looks a bit like this. It's got some prices of the toys. I've made them up and you're going to choose two items to buy and then show the total and how you would pay. But I want you to do it a couple of times. So let's go through what that might look like. So let's say I want to buy the Nerf gun, which is $9.50, and the Hatchimals for $15. Okay, so I've written down that I'm going to get a Nerf gun for $9.50 and a Hatchimal for $15. So there are two ways I can do this. I could write it as an addition problem, but I'm actually just going to make up the amounts and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to pay. So let's make $9.50 first. So we're going to pay with the exact amount as well. Obviously, we can get change from shops, so let's pay with the exact amount. So I'm going to use $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 50-cent piece. So that's how I'd pay for the Nerf gun. I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. I've got $9.50. And then Hatchimals are $15, so I'm going to use some notes. I need a $10 note and a $5 note to make $15. So that's how I would pay. So what I want you to do on your activity is just draw sorry, that would be sideways, and then 2, 2, and then as best you can draw a 50-cent piece, and then 10 and a 5. So that's how you would pay. But then I want you to draw the total. So let's add up our money, and we're going to use the same strategy as yesterday. So let's order our money. So we've got 10, we've got 2 5s, $2 and 1.50. So I've got 10. 5 and 5 is 10. So I've got 20, 22, $24, and I've got 50 cents. Oop, I run out of room. 50 cents. So that's how I want you to lay out your work. Use the play money. That's going to help you to add it all up and draw how you would pay for it. However, you might think of a different way to pay $24.50 as well. You might not use that way of paying. You might use 20 or 50, which is a quicker way of paying. So you can either choose to do it like this or find the total first. You might like to challenge yourself in that way. And let's pause the video.